So friends, this is my online Nintouch Blue Sky channel, and in this my video you can see just here control panel series and control panel courses. So in this my video I will show you event viewer. So before you start this video, first video is very important for you, either you cannot understand. So first you can see just here first start the control panel. So click on start menu or click on file explorer, click on this small icon and control panel. You can see just this is a control panel category wise options, but we want large icon in all of options, all of setting. So all Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10 and Windows XP and every Windows operating system, Microsoft Windows operating system control panel in 75% setting all of here. Okay, so you can see just the administrative tools and my last previous video component service, very important and very good important for information you. So watch my previous video component services part 1, part 2, and this is a control panel series part video 3. So we are new introduce options about event viewer. What is the event viewer and why using it? This event viewer. So event viewer is why using this. So event viewer I will discuss in one by one options and why use event viewer related. So you can see just this is all of event viewer in here, everything options and some options is everything you can see just here. So what is the event viewer and how use it and why give event viewer this system. So let's start this video. So friends, you can see just here this is the event viewer. So first understand what is the event viewer and why event viewer using this event viewer. So I am first click on you can see just event viewer and event viewer logo appear this tab. You can see just here this is the event viewer of Microsoft Windows 7 to 10 operating system. So first understand why using event viewer. Event viewer is a log of information. Your activity, your warning, in critical error, some information, login information, why, where you are using, how much time login and how many type login, correct password, incorrect password, who is send some critical sending, changing and different virus, everything information stored in event viewer. So to event viewer that is occur on your computer, select application source, log or custom view, not in console tree. Administrative events custom view contain all the information administrative events regards of sources and as well aggregate view of all the logs. It is so below. So event viewer is one type of information log. So everything information related, you can see just here this is a one type of event viewer log. So first you can see just here this is a file options here, you can see here. Okay, so what is a disk cleanup? Disk cleanup I will discuss in next some video in a control panel series. So you can see just a change to view of console file are saved on your profile. You can see just here, this is a very important and you want to exit this, I mean close this here. Action means you can see open saved log, means you save log and you are open, you want to open. So because why save log, because sometimes very critical type information we want to save. So we are saved from you can see just create a custom view, different you can see just create custom view. So this is what is a custom view. You want you can see just this is my view. Okay, this is a this is a Microsoft operating system by this with default view. So what is the default view? Means deselect automatically by Microsoft operating system, and this already setting all up from Microsoft company. So you can see just this is custom views, and you can see just here these view interest and everything options, and you can see just here options available in my system view. So customize and everything, you can see just here help and topic about related. So what is the main op system? You can see just left side, you can see the custom view. Click on here and administrative events, you can see just this is everything information, any fault in your computer, any error, any leaks, any failure this your system. So everything error warning, everything information automatically save in your event viewer. So how ethical hacker catch to hacker? So first check find out how login in your system. So any user, just like you can see just this is my user, okay, username, this is the Sky is my user, but other user other user login in my computer. So event viewer automatically showing in information in event viewer. So event viewer is main of data collect everything information. You can see just here this is a for I'm just first open any I am open warning this, okay, this warning information. So it is a Intel R Ethernet connection, okay, 1270V network link disconnected. So this mean this Intel Ethernet port related, because this is related, okay, Ethernet port, and network link disconnect mean network connection disconnected, and login log name system, okay, this is a system problem, and source EI Express, and event ID means process ID. You can see just a different type of event ID 27. Level warning means warning you me, and user not showing me here. But why not showing me? Because this is a system through coming here, okay, system through this network disconnected. Maybe problem also in some internet connection stop and disconnected. So this reason showing me error. And login computer timing, you can see just here 6/14/2021 and 11:42 1 p.m. and task category none, and keyboard is classic, and my computer name, okay, you can see just here this is my showing me here my completely computer information, everything you can see just here. Second, I am just open anything, you can see just in warning, okay, warning open the network is list managed reports, no connectivity to internet. You can see just here this is Microsoft, you can see Microsoft Windows devices setup is managed in admin. So first understand Microsoft Windows device setup management. Device manager is one type of showing, you can see just here this is the admin system. So how you find device manager? So you can see just this is a device manager. First I am showing a device manager. It is a computer manager, and computer manager inside device manager. You can see just this related these information showing me here. You can see just here this is a network list manager, and you can see the internet. So this is Microsoft Windows device setup manager. Okay, so okay, you can see device setup manager. So this is a one type of showing me in device manager. Okay, so I'm again open other information just like open. So first understand how we are know about warning, and why we give computer warning and error, because our computer lot of file, lot of process, lot of system start and background work, but you cannot see here. Just like I'm just showing you this is a desktop, okay, but desktop background how much file start. So you can right click on icon and you can see just task manager, you can see just everything your process. You not understand how many type of services and applications start in background but not showing in your or desktop side. You can see just a lot of showing me here, okay, this file. Performance, you can see just here this is a perform CPU central processing unit. I will discuss task manager related video. I will create next some video. about task manager, you can see just everything services background running. Okay, so why these services? Because this is a start main component, and without services, without main some software, you cannot start your system. So you can see left side pane and right side pane, you can see just administrative events. Administrative events you can see just here, just same open save it log, create custom view. You want to create custom view, you can see just here. So click on create custom and you can see understand filter. So what is a filter? You want the critical information, you want a warning only, you want information, so I want warning only. And second is by log, event log, you want event log. So Windows means operating system log, and application and service log, so I want only Windows log. Okay, so Windows log, and you can see category, task category, keywords, you want anything, and I'm just click on OK. Okay, and the new view, okay, see, okay, click on OK. So only showing me warning only, not showing me error information, all about all information in mixed in event viewer. But I think this is a, you can see just event viewer warning only. Okay, this is a warning showing me here. So this is one type of technology and technology related different wise, so everything information showing me a warning. Okay, so create custom view and import custom view. What is the import custom view? Because you are you export first already custom view and already setting complete your custom, you say already save some settings, so you want to import reload your settings. So click on import custom view, but you want first export export custom view type saving file you have, either you cannot import here. Okay, and filter current custom, you can see just filter means you want I want only critical information, so showing only critical. So 5 type critical information you can see in event ID 40, event task category 63. So 63 first understand this this window. Okay, so label, you can see just label anything, any label, critical information, warning, any. So I'm just showing filter custom view. I want everything, warning, information, web browse, error, everything. Okay, and click on OK. You can see just first understand this about label. What is a label? Label 4 type of label: information, error, warning, and critical. Okay, so what is the information in showing me here? So you can see just in this first information label information, date and time showing me here. Okay, everything information, and source name you can see just here, what related this information. This is Microsoft security auditing. To see this auditing, what is the security auditing? You can see just 6:15 to today. Okay, my now this time I'm record this my completely create this video. Okay, so this I'm logging in event where to, so this automatically information save this. Okay, save this my information now this time. Okay, you can see just this my timing showing me here. Your time just see here date, and you just see here. Oh, okay, 2 minutes here. In 2 minutes are showing me security auditing, and as you can see just this is a event ID. So so it is event ID. Event ID is one type of showing your process, and 47 in 98 means showing the system. Task category, user account management, user account management. What is the user account management? Account management, you can see just this is a account related and account system. Okay, you can see just this is one type of showing me completely information. Okay, and you can see just this is everything completely. Okay, so you can see just extra export custom view, copy custom view. Okay, you want to copy custom view or attach tags to this custom view. You can see just here, or extra and everything, finish everything. Okay, and you can see view. So what is a view? So analytic and debug logs, and add and remove column, sort by, group by. So you want to group by select, so you can see label. So label, so it related to so view and group by label. So event ID, I want show event ID. Okay, you can see just here. So you can see just delete. You are delete your information, some critical information. You want to rename. Okay, rename here, and refresh means you reload your information. So understand first everything computer related you can see just this is label. So error, warning, information, critical, 5 tab for showing here. Okay, so and you can see event properties. So first understand event properties. What is event properties? So first you can see just this is a number and the filter or the extra. So first know about custom view and copy custom, no sorry, you can say a filter. Okay, so this is one type of everything showing me information related video, information related these showing me. Okay, so this is a group by showing me because we are view by group by. So I want to show group by label type. Okay, so you can see just label showing me everything. Okay, so you can change your view. Okay, so critical, 5 tab, level, error. So how much error give me in my computer? 10,384. You can see just here. And same Windows log, you can see just here, application, security, system, everything. So if Windows log inside, you can see click on application related. You can see just here, application related everything information showing me here, and this completely show me 18,182, and this size 17 MB. Security related information. So what is the application? Your open application, your Windows Media Player, VLC player, any your Windows 10 related, any your open application, and maybe some application no start, and sometime error give error type. So it is one type of showing in your your not information completely. Security related means what is the security related? In security is one type of your login, your computer, logout computer, some your changing setting, some your computer level and control panel, anything is changing. So this security inside all of give information inside. You can see just upon security related. So you can see audit. So audit one type of showing me here everything information. You can see just here login group members is changing here. So you can see just this is one type of time and everything, date and time. Okay, you can see user account management in audit system. Okay, you want everything. You can log in, log on time, log off. Okay, log on. Now this time I'm log on. Okay, you can see just 2 10 and you log on, type, log out. Any time log in, any time log out, any time shut down your computer, any time you start your computer. So automatically 2 and 3 audit file automatically your say automatically give information and save in this area. Okay, audit area. So this is how computer ethical hacker catch hacker. So first coming here security inside, and how this is this everything data. So clear log means everything clear. Okay, so clear means everything my log clear. And the setup, you can see just this is setup showing me information related. Okay, system means you can see just system related video. System is one type of showing me in my computer. So this is a this my showing me a system related some warning, some information, some kernel boot, and some kernel power, some wing log, some distributed com, everything control panel, control management with everything file related information. Okay, so this is forward event means you want forward to another computer, so you can enter in network connection and you can forward. So next time I will continue because this video very long, and next time I will continue setup and system related. Okay, So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. I will continue this video part 2 event viewer, okay, because this is a very long video. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day, and click on subscribe button, click on like button, and click on bell icon. Either YouTube never send me my new video notification, and you maybe miss my new video. So next time I will continue on this topic, setup and system related in event viewer related video. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.